In this demonstration, I will show you how you can set up relationships between number series. And that's something that you can use when you want to enable multiple number series for one data type, like multiple number series to number customers, to number items, and so on. So first I will open the number series page. And let's create a new number series to number resources. As you will see, there is already one, and I will change here the name to resource internal. And Cronus now wants to create a second number series that they use for external resources. All right, so first of all, I will click on New. So this is a very simple number series. I will click on the starting number field so that I can enter the starting number. And in this case, we don't use a starting date. This is the number that we would like to use. So the first one starts with this number, then the second one. So the increment by number is 1. So there you go, that's step number 1, a very simple step. But by doing this, we now have two number series for resources. So for the resources internal and for the resources external. Now, in order to enable both number series when we create new resources, I need to set a relationship between the default one and the other one. So here you can see that this one is the default one. So I will select this line. Next, I will click here on More Options, Navigate Series Relationships. And I can now enter the relationship with the other number series. So there we go. Notice that we're of course not limited to one relationship. You can set up multiple ones if you want, but for this example, this one is okay. So there we go. And now the relationship is set up. So what is important in the resources setup? So let me go to the resources setup page. You will enter there the default number series. So to number resources, this is the default number series, but because of the relationship, we can now also select the other number series when we create a new resource. So let me do this. So I will go to resources and I will create a new one. So now, because there are two number series enabled for resources, you can also see the number field appearing on the resource card. And this is now very important. So before assigning a number, I should first select the number series we want to use. And that's something that I need to do by clicking here on Open Assist Edit. So by doing this, you can now see both number series. In this case, suppose that we would like to create our first external resource. I will then select the second line. I will click on OK, and you will now see that Business Central assigned the first number of my new number series. You see? So by creating the relationship, I now have multiple number series available when creating resources. And of course, you can apply the same to customers, items, vendors, and so on.